Dominic Farrell from Distressed Assets. We just had a fantastic one-day property investment and sourcing training here in London at Marble Arch.
So I've done the property sourcing workshop today. Really informative, so much information. Yeah, I recommend. Nice to just sort of get a bit more reassurance. Yeah, he's super knowledgeable.
And I would just like to say that I was very, very impressed with what I've heard today at Distressed Assets, this one-day workshop. I'm just very grateful that I've come into contact with Dominic and Claire and their team, and I hope to work closer with them in the future.
I was here today invited by Dom to speak about finance, mortgages, bridging loans. Of course, always to learn from Dom. He's like a walking encyclopedia for property, so it was good.
I think it's a great group of people. I think it's a great place to network. Met some very interesting people. People kind of gel together. There are a lot of other people who are also looking at deal sourcing and how to find high quality distressed assets.
Just completed Distressed Assets with Dominic and Claire. They're absolutely fantastic. They're an amazing knowledge, great depth of knowledge, a great team of experts.